Okay, so I just want to inform you that we are really excited because we'll be starting the new batch very soon, probably in this week. And the point is we want you to take to a next level. This is something very important. So I can tell you that I've been into SEO from last 16, 17, 18 years, and I'm going to show you what results we have. Because one thing is very important, that we are not here to learn digital marketing. We are here to practice digital marketing. So there is a huge difference, when you learn digital marketing and you practice digital marketing. So when we say that, that you're practicing digital marketing, it means you're focused on results, you're focused on activities. This is so important, right? So I will quickly show you what all things, we have achieved. This is just to give you a quick idea, because we'll be starting SEO in morning batch, and we'll be starting with Google Ads in the evening batch. So we'll start with very basics and then we'll take it to a next level, which is really very important. So let me show you quickly. Okay, so you can see that digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. This is one of the most searched term on Google, which is digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. And मुझे लगता है कि आप सब लोगों ने भी सर्च किया होगा. When you search digital marketing course in Ahmedabad, you want to see Brandveda coming at number 1 position. Now this is something very important because it's very important that when people are searching about your businesses, you have to be there on the first page. So the point is, you can see that 18,50,000 results, और Google को लगता है कि सबसे best result है. You can see here. And it's not only about one search term. मैं आपको कई सारे search term अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ. Let's say for example, if you search for digital marketing course in Anand, for example, or Anand. Let's put Anand, and you can see that Brandveda is at number 2 position as of now. Or let's say if I search for digital marketing course in Nadiad, and you can see that Brandveda is coming here again. Top courses in Nadiad. Or let's say if we search for digital marketing course in Ankleshwar, you can see that Brandveda is again at number 1 position. If you search for digital marketing course in Surendranagar, you can see that we are again coming at number 1 position. And let's say even if I search, let's say digital marketing agency in Ahmedabad, if I search, you will find Brandveda is still coming at first page. So the point is, we'll talk about how you can learn SEO in a very professional manner, in a very practical way, because we have done a lot of investments in softwares, and we're going to teach you, how you're going to use this in order to grow organic traffic. So you want to grow organic traffic, you want to grow visibility, and at the end of the day, we all are looking to generate revenue from Google search. Fine. So this is just an example. In order to do that, we use a lot of softwares, because this is going to be a very extensive course. And I can tell you, a lot of my students, they're working with some of the premium companies across India. Some work in Dubai or Australia or Canada. Even I will tell you, one of my students recently got placed in InVideo. It's an amazing company, and he's a very young chap, and he started his career, work from home. So this is an InVideo company. So he got a job in InVideo. You can search for InVideo. This is InVideo. He got a job. So this is a SaaS company. So he got a job here. So a lot of my students, they work with a lot of companies in Ahmedabad, across pan India. And the best part is, that I just want to make sure that you work on some of the best practices that I've learned in search engine optimization. I can tell you that we do have a very good traffic, better than a lot of agencies and institutes. But my goal is very simple. I want you to fall in love with digital marketing, which is really very important, right? So in order to do this, we'll be working on some of the best tools that we use in our course. Number 1 is we use Ahrefs. Ahrefs, so we work on Ahrefs. It's a somewhat expensive tool, but very important if you're working in search engine optimization. We'll be working on SEMrush. You all know SEMrush. Or if you don't know, no problem, because we'll be giving you training on SEMrush.com also. So we work on SEMrush. We work on outranking for planning and content audit. You can see the pricing of this software. So what we're going to do is we will be giving you this software so that you can try at home. You can work on your home. So you can see that we do have everything. We have paid software. So we have invested huge in paid softwares. And then comes Market Muse. It's an amazing software. We we optimize a lot of content. We write a lot of content on the website. Market Muse, we'll be working on Market Muse, amazing software. So there are a lot of softwares we're going to work on. Let's say If you talk about the backlink tool, or if you talk about outreach tool, we want to work on, let's say, Ninja Outreach or Postaga. So we work on a lot of softwares. We will be working on some assignments. So Postaga, or let's say Postaga, amazing software. And I'll tell you, a lot of my students, they are very good when it comes to creating a backlinks. So I want every one of you to write 10,000, 12,000 of content. I want you all to optimize this content. And how you going to do it? You can use another tool like SEO Surfer. So the point is, I just want to tell you that, that in this entire course, when we talk about search engine optimization, you will get a lot of ideas, like how you're going to build traffic on website, how you're going to have good organic visibility on the web. This is something very important. So whatever things we are teaching it to you, we have done it many times, and we have got a lot of results, and we're going to tell you like how exactly you can do it. So it's like, if I ask you to write a blog, probably it takes a lot of efforts to write a blog, but with the help of system, with the help of guidance, with the help of processes, you'll be able to start writing a blog in a better way in a short period of time, right? So a lot of things are there in search engine optimization. Our articles have been published in a lot of websites. We do have a good website traffic. You can check on SEMrush, on some other tools. So important is whatever things we're teaching it to you, it's coming from a vast experience. We do have a very good team, and we're going to onboard you on some very good projects on search engine optimization. I'm very sure that once you finish with the SEO path, you are ready for the job, because here all students, they got job, they are getting good salaries. We prepare them for interviews. So a lot of things happen in entire this session. So I wish you all the best. If you have any query, you can always get back to me, and let's meet and let's discuss about your dreams, what you want to achieve in coming 3 months. And in this course, we're going to talk about a lot of things, straight from PPC, automation, growth hacking, funnel building, a lot of things coming in. And I just want every one of you to fall in love with this, because if you fall in love with this, magic gonna happen, right? This is so important. So I wish you all the best. Let us meet in the coming class. And if you have any query, let's connect, let's talk, because I believe one thing, that it's very important to have a very clear mindset and clear goal and clear actions before you want to achieve something. So this course will help you to get a job quickly, and that too in a very good company, but you need to work on it, and that's why this is an extensive course. And then we do also have internship sessions for our students as well. Fine, so get in touch with us. I'm super excited, because we'll be starting with new batch. I wish you all the best, dream big and take action. Thank you so much.